Hare Krishna. So we all know that Arjuna was one of the most successful warriors of his times. Arjuna was so powerful that he defeated Lord Shiva, Lord Indra. What are the reasons for Arjuna's success? Two qualities stand out very prominently. The first quality is the focus of Arjuna, and the second is his hard work, the hard efforts that he put in. We all know the story of Arjuna's focus. Dronacharya called all his students and kept a wooden bird on top of a tree and told the students, the Kauravas and the Pandavas, to shoot the eye of the bird. So each student came up ahead and Dronacharya asked them, what do you see? Someone said, I can see the bird, I can see the trees, I can see the clouds. Dronacharya didn't allow them to shoot. When Arjuna came, Dronacharya asked Arjuna, what can you see? Arjuna said, I can only see the eye of the bird. Dronacharya asked him, what else you can see? Arjuna said, I can't see anything else. I can only see the eye of the bird. Dronacharya told him to shoot, and invariably, without any doubt, Arjuna hit the eye of the bird because he had that focus. So in order to be successful in life, we all need to be very focused on the goal. Krishna explains in the Gita, Vyavasayatmika buddhi ekeha kuru nandana. One should have one-pointed attention. Without such one-pointed attention, it is very difficult to become successful. Just like in the Bhagavatam, there is the story of an Avadut Brahmana who is telling King Yadu a story of an arrow maker. This arrow maker was so focused in sharpening the arrow that an entire entourage of the king and all his party with music and everything passed by. He didn't even notice it because he was so focused on the job. So therefore, the first quality to become successful that Arjuna teaches us is focus. There is a saying in English, what are obstacles? Obstacles are those things that we see when we lose sight of our goal. So keeping the goal very prominently in front of us without any distraction is very important. The second quality of Arjuna that made him super successful was his hard work. Arjuna was so determined and so hardworking that he forgot his sleep in the night. He gave up his sleep in the night so that he could focus on his practice. One day, as Arjuna and Bhima were eating food in the night, the lights go off and Arjuna still continued to eat food. So Arjuna, it occurred to him that if I can eat food in the night, I can definitely practice archery in the night. So from that day on, in the day he would learn and in the night he would practice, and by the end of the night he would be expert. He would be successful in that what he had learned in that particular day. Therefore, one of the names of Arjuna is Gudakesha. Gudakesha means one who has conquered sleep. So this is the second very important quality for anyone to be successful, hard work. Without any hard work, without putting that extra energy, no one becomes successful. Like we all know the story of Hanumanji. Hanumanji, Lord Ram sent Hanuman to Lanka to give a message to Sita. But Hanumanji was so much enthusiastic, he did extra service and came. He burnt Lanka and came back. So hard work is something that is very, very crucial. So if you study the life of any successful person, in spiritual life or in material life, you will find these two qualities very prominent. Focus, razor sharp focus, and hard work. If you study the life of Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google, when he was a college student, he was so focused and hard-working in his studies. Even while going in rickshaw, while walking to the college, he would keep studying his books. Very focused. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, he would sleep in the library and he would get up, study again and again go to sleep in the library. That was his focus. So these two things are very important in everyone's life. I remember in my own life, when I had actually taken up to the process of Krishna consciousness, I was in my 11th standard, going to 12th. I decided that I needed something so that I can focus on my bhakti and stay away from distractions. So because it was 12th, I decided let me focus on my studies. That is the point I heard the example of Tamal Krishna Maharaj, who is one of the biggest leaders in ISKCON. Tamal Krishna Maharaj went to university to study as a student after becoming a sannyasi in ISKCON for many years. His principle was, if I'm doing something, let me do it the best. So in university, he was so focused on his studies. Every semester he topped. Every semester he would come number one, because he was thinking that I am a representative of Krishna, I am a representative of Srila Prabhupada. Whatever I do, I have to do the best. So let me focus and let me put hard work. So in my life, at this point, when I was becoming a devotee in my 11th, 12th standard, I heard this example of Tamal Krishna Goswami, and I decided that let me focus on my studies. Let me really do well in my 12th. I was so focused that I remember even when I would cycle down to college, I would keep solving maths problems. Even while cycling, while walking, day and night, I would keep focusing on my studies. And invariably, the result is, practically I topped the college. I got very high marks in PCM, PCB. So the point is, you study anyone's life, these two are very important keys: focus and hard work. If you study the life of Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of ISKCON, ISKCON has become such a great success. Prabhupada has become so successful because of these two things. In 1922, his spiritual master told him, preach this message in the Western language. And Prabhupada actually went to the West in 1966. For 40 years, Prabhupada was meditating on that one instruction. Very focused. And the amount of hard work he did, even before going to the West, Prabhupada would write Back to God and magazines, print it, distribute it alone. Even when he started ISKCON in the 70s, when he was 70 years old, Prabhupada was so hardworking. Throughout the day, he would keep preaching, and in the night, he would sacrifice his sleep in the night and write books. So, study the life of anyone. The key to be successful is these two things: focus and hard work. And if we do this, we too can become successful like Arjuna, and we can discover that Arjuna that is there within all of us. Thank you.